To import audio in Adobe Audition, you'll have to go to File, choose Import, click File again, and choose your file that you want to be imported. You're going to click Open, and the basic import is just like that. But then if you want to import another file, you can go again to File, Import File, choose whichever audio file you want. And then, as you can see, it will be imported into a separate waveform. Now, what if you want to have them both in the same track? One way you can do it, you can simply copy it. So I'm holding Control button now and pressing C. And then you can click somewhere at the very end of your audio track. So we can click this button right here, and you can paste it. That's one way to do it. Even simpler way would be by going to multitrack, and we're gonna create a multitrack session, and now we'll have access to both of these files. So you can choose whichever track you like. Let's say first track, move your marker wherever you want your audio to be imported, and you're going to click the right mouse button on it, and when you choose insert, you'll have access to both of those files, and you can insert them right here. And then if you want to, you can also insert new audio files, and it's easy to move them around, place them in whichever way you want them to be placed. And that's all there is to importing files in Adobe Audition.